Hey, welcome back. Ali here, and in this video, we're going to talk about 3 easy tips you can use to grow your LinkedIn company page. Now, let's jump right into this. The first one I want to talk about is sending invitations. Now, what do I mean by that? Let's jump right on LinkedIn and I'll show you this. And this is a fairly new feature on LinkedIn. Here I am on LinkedIn, so I'm going to go to one of the company pages that I manage, which is right here. And LinkedIn released this feature, then they took it away, then they released it again. So they refined it over time, because when they initially released this, the invitation, a lot of people were misusing this feature. But here you go. So on your company page that you are an admin on, by the way, kind of like a pro tip, before you do any of this, make sure your company page is properly branded. Yes, which means a good cover image, your logo, and also make sure you edit your company page and fill out all the sections. Everything inside your company page, make sure you fill it out. The about section, all the information. Because so many times people want to grow their pages, but it's not properly optimized. They don't have the right logo, or sometimes they don't even have the cover image. So just do that as a pre-step, or as a first step. All right, let's talk about the invitation. So here you go. You're going to see this panel right here. And this is the new LinkedIn UI that they recently released. If you're seeing anything different, just reach out to me, because LinkedIn, they change their platform and UI very often. All right, now, so invite connections to follow. So basically, you can invite your connections to follow your company page. Very easy and smart way to grow your company page from your personal connection. Now, there are a couple of things you want to remember. So if I click on invite more connections, here is, so first of all, you do get 100 credits available. So you get 100 credits, and look at this, LinkedIn is actually pretty straightforward. Only invite connections you personally know to ensure a great experience for your network. So when LinkedIn released this feature in the beginning, people just spammed everyone to follow their company pages. Don't do that, do not spam. So make sure people that you invite, they are the right and relevant people for your company page. It's not like random. Don't just like select all and send it to everyone. Another thing is, it's actually very, in my opinion, smart on LinkedIn's part. Basically, you have 100 credits. So if you look at this, so each invitation is 1 credit. So when someone accepts it, you get that credit back. That's a very, very good way of making sure there is quality in there. So this is how you go to LinkedIn, your company page, and then look at this section right here, invite connections to follow, and then follow the relevant people. Don't just spam, that's given. All right, that was tactic number 1. Let's go back to our list. So number 2 is encourage your team, your associates or your employees to share content from your LinkedIn company page. Now, let's go back here, and I want to show you something really, really powerful. So on this page, we have a content strategy. So we create consistent content. As you can see, we post videos, really like humanizing the brand with the team members. Really, really great content. And then we also encourage our employees or our associates to share this content. So if I go to activity, I want to show you some of this. So look at this. So some of the team members are already sharing content, which is so cool. And what I want to show you is what's the benefit. So first of all, you're probably thinking, what's the benefit of this? Well, the benefit is, if your team member has a good network on LinkedIn, guess what? They will see the company page, they're likely to engage, and then even like follow your company page. So you can kind of tap into the network of your team. A very powerful concept. So I want to show you, for example, right here. So here's one of our team members shared the post, and look at this. It's actually creating, so look at this. So someone from her network is engaging with that piece of content. So this is exactly what can happen. So you can tap into the network of your team members. So that's the number 2. So encourage your team to share content from your LinkedIn company page, right? All right, number 2, one thing I'll point out, they don't have to share every single thing that you're posting. So maybe they do it once a week, even like once in 2 weeks. So they don't have to share every single post. Number 3 is, again, very, very simple. So mention or tag your page in your post that you create on your personal LinkedIn. So obviously, I talk a lot about building your personal profile on LinkedIn so you can grow your network with the right people. So once you've done it, what you can do is start tagging your LinkedIn page in your post. So one example I want to show you, recently we saw this for one of my other pages. So we're going to go to this page right here, and we're going to go to, so this is a company page, good size. Let's go to activity. I want to show you how this looks like right here. Here you go. So Jonathan, who's the CEO of this company, so he shared something on his personal profile, and then look at that company page is tagged. So he tagged the company page in a post on his personal LinkedIn profile. And look at this, all this engagement, super cool, and then all these comments. But this is a way, if you do that on a consistent basis, you can drive people from your LinkedIn personal profile to go follow your company page and easily grow your LinkedIn company page. All right, quickly recap. Number one, send invitation, but make sure quality, do not spam. Number two, encourage your team members to share content from your LinkedIn page. And number three is mention or tag your page when you post your content to your LinkedIn personal profile. Very, very simple and 3 easy tactics you can use to grow your LinkedIn page. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Thank you for watching.